Trent here with 4x4 Works in McKinney, Texas, and we're getting ready to hook up Nissan of McKinney. We got 3 vehicles, that's right, count them 3. We are ready to bring back to them brand new on their lot. First of all, we got a 2018 Nissan Armada. This one not too spectacular of a modification. We just put some really sweet wheels on here because of course the Armada is already a very good looking vehicle. Do a little close up on the dub wheels that we put on over there, and of course we have a Nissan Titan gas. This one's a V8. We put a 6-inch suspension lift on it, some XD wheels, some chrome and black. I really love that package. Of course, Nitto G2 AT Terra grapplers. And then we got just a plain old Nissan Titan. Looks like it's going to be a work truck, or it could be a work truck, but we jazzed it up a little bit, put some wheels on there. This one we went with some Toyo Open Country ATs, very good looking stuff. Man, those boys over at Nissan of McKinney are going to be super excited when we roll up on their lot. Bunch of preloads getting ready to go on over. Again, thank you so much. It's Trent at 4x4 Works in McKinney, Texas. Check me out online. Check out me on a Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, the whole shebang. I'm going to dip out on here and head on over to McKinney Nissan. All right, thank you guys.